Hello, sir. I'm going to discuss my topic about curfew for teenagers are not effective. Uh, these are my arguments. First, curfew are not effective in reducing crime or promoting public safety. Second, only the parents have the right to dictate how they will bring up their children. Third, teenager has a part in their lives when they need to learn how to be independent with their lives. This is my arguments. First, curfews are not effective because hindi naman nakakaapekto sa crime rate ng bansa. Doesn't mean na you're out late, you're doing something wrong, like you're using drugs, like you're using cocaine, shabu, marijuana, and you are drinking alcohol, and kung saan ka tumatambay, tapos, and if you go home late, it doesn't mean na masama na yung ginawa mo kasi there are reasons that merong birthday party, merong or special occasions na dapat puntahan na nalilate na matapos. And second, our parents should mold us into disciplined individuals. We should not be deprived of going out kung related sa school. Like me, I am student athlete, and example, if my training is 6 p.m. to 10 p.m., uh, I'm late na ako makakauwi kasi late na yung schedule namin. But it doesn't mean na masama yung ginagawa ko kasi late na ako umuwi. Kasi I need to study in Mapua because of scholarship, and it is related naman sa school kaya ka nalilate. And like others, if you have assignments or you have a projects with your classmates and you are doing with them in lately. Third, we have to learn independent in some ways, and for us to practice independence, we first have to learn and to live by ourselves without curfew, for us to learn how to control ourselves. And we have to face those things because I believe that the children are the future. And kung hindi tayo matututo, hindi aangat yung bansa natin at hindi tayo pare-parehas magpo-progress. Thank you. Thank you, sir, for giving me a chance. Thank you.